What is going on, everybody? I've got another unboxing for you today, and today we've got the all-new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and these have been unboxed online a couple of times, but I just spent my credit that I got for pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy S20, and I used it towards these buds right here. I have the original Samsung Galaxy Buds as well, and I don't know if it's worth the upgrade or not. Based on reviews, it seems like these are an awesome pair of buds, and I love how the light is reflecting off of this Buds Plus labeling. But the aesthetic of the new ones with that awesome polished finish is one of the reasons why I wanted to upgrade and maybe get rid of my regular Galaxy Buds, as I just think it's a more premium look and finish. So without further ado, here they are, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, ordered straight from Samsung. Side packaging here with some branding. This side, nothing. On the back here, lets you know that there's 11 hours of playtime. Talks about the two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice calls, and of course, Qi wireless charging compatible. Of course, you can charge these on the back of your Samsung Galaxy if it has power share enabled. So on the top here, nothing. Let's compare it quickly to the packaging from the original Galaxy Buds. Very similar in the front. Now on the sides, you had things written basically on all sides with the original, but on these you've got this right side of the box, which is completely blank. Samsung branding on the top right of the face of the box here on the Buds Plus, and it was on this tab here on the regular Buds. So without further ado, let us open these bad boys up. So again, if you pre-ordered your S20, you got some Samsung credit and you could use it towards these buds or any other accessories. And here we go. You can already see the difference, that polished finish shimmering in the sun compared to the duller matte finish here. I mean, they're both nice. They're both really, really nice, but you talk about a premium finish and you want them to look good. So they both look very nice here if you compare them, but I just prefer that polished finish. It just looks more premium to me. So let's see what we got here. We've got a USB-C, should be. Yep, USB to USB-C wire here, and you've got your ear tips and wings, depending on how they'll fit your ear there. I typically go with whatever default is on the headphones. They seem to fit me just fine, and not much to it. Here are the headphones themselves. Here we go, Samsung, sound by AKG. Again, compare them to the original Galaxy Buds, which was a matte finish with slightly embossed Samsung branding on the front, whereas here the Samsung branding, let me wipe these, the Samsung branding is just in a kind of a gray color, silverish color. So yeah, so let's see how easy these are to pair. My Galaxy S20, which I'm shooting with an iPhone 11 Pro, which I recently did a 5-month review on about a month ago, and we'll be comparing with this with my case here. This is the official OEM Samsung leather case. So it should be really, really easy. I woke the phone up here and Bluetooth is on. Let me just open up these buds and see what happens. Right away, recognized. A new device has been detected. Let's connect. It launches the Galaxy wearable app right away. Says setting up your phone, and you can see how quickly that is done. Now I'm just filming this in real time. I'm not speeding this up at all, just to show you exactly how long it takes. And there we go. And now it's going to walk us through some of the features, like the ambient sound. Lets us know we can start Spotify from our earbuds. Can change touchpad settings within the app. And we are all set. Awesome. So you can play around with the settings here, with the options, the equalizer, etc. But you see how quick and easy it was to set these up. And just real quick for you, a closer look at the buds, which we've just set up. You can see how different they look. I'm probably going to be taking these tips off. I feel like it's snug enough in the ear for me. At least the original Galaxy Buds were without that. It's definitely a more polished finish here, as you can see, not just on the outside, but that next area of construction there. See how that looks. Get a good look at that. And let's compare them to the original Galaxy Buds. And you can see that this outer shell here, they're very, very similar. This is slightly more polished. I can see my reflection a little bit more in the Galaxy Buds Plus than I can over here on the right on these Galaxy Buds. And that is in addition to this outer layer here, which is a matte finish compared to the polished here. And this is just gonna be all around. It's minimalist, yet it catches the eye, and it's very unique. And I really, really love what Samsung did with the Buds Plus design. Just a really minor touch-up, but I think it makes a big difference. Again, these are nice too, and you could probably get these at a pretty good discount right now. But if just comparing apples to apples, I definitely like the design of the Buds Plus more. And judging by some of the early reviews, I think as a product, I'm going to like them more as well. So if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Be happy to answer them. And that's that. Galaxy Buds Plus. Take care, everyone.